All right, we're going to unbox the Vizio D Series 40-inch TV. And I got a little razor cutter here, so I'm just kind of opening her up. And inside you've got a couple things. You got the controller with some batteries and some screws. You also have 2 feet that go on the bottom of the TV that basically stand it up, and some directions, and of course a lot of styrofoam. All right, so once you get everything out of the plastic, this is what comes with it. You get 2 feet, you get controller, 2 battery screws. The screwdriver doesn't come with it, and directions. We don't need those. All right, next we're going to pull the body out of the box. You need a nice soft place to put it. You want to make sure that the screen is facing up. Make sure you pull it out and put the back on your nice flat bed or whatever. And here I'm just going to go ahead and rip this open, pull it off, and there's some adhesive that's on the sides, and we got to get that off too. And it comes off pretty easy. You just got to get your thumbnail on it. Try not to scratch your screen when you're doing it, because you don't want to screw up the TV on the first day that you got it. And see here, I'm having a hard time getting that side off. And then this specific TV supposedly will only burn $8 worth of electricity in a year. So that's it. That's what comes in the box. Now all we got to do is put it together.